today we're going to draw a 1-point perspective street. Similar to what we did last week, but this time we're going to make it look like a street rather than a train track. So, same thing, we need a piece of paper, ruler, and pencil. So starting off, we're going to draw the horizon line, which is going to go not in the middle, but towards the top. On there, we're going to draw the cross, which again will be our vanishing point. We're going to go from the cross to the corner, and then from the cross to in the middle of these two lines. Doesn't have to be exact, but just roughly, like so. So other side, same again. I always twist my paper, but you can draw it however you like. I find it easier with my ruler on this side, pencil on this side. So we're going to go from the cross to the corner. And I want these two lines to be in line. So I'm just going to measure across from where this line is here and up to there. Like so. So I can then join those two together. Like so. Right then, we're going to then start to divide this section into houses, and we're going to use the vertical lines. So we're lining this up with the edge, making sure that they are parallel, and we're going to draw a line, and then we're going to gradually get closer together as we move along. So each of our houses start to look smaller, like so. We're then going to do the same on the other side. Right, then we're going to draw the roof. So we need to move our angles. The only time we don't follow the rules and use either a vertical or horizontal line or a line coming from the vanishing point, and we're going to draw about 45 degrees. Make sure it's not too far over or too far up. From this point up, this point up. Like so. And then the same on the other side, 45 degrees, matching them up. And so, there we are. Right, next thing we're going to do is add our windows and doors. So, a bit more tricky. We're going to go from the vanishing point about 1 centimetre down, and we're just going to do 2 dashes in each house. More awkward the closer you get to the end. Move it down about 1 centimetre, and then roughly in the same place put another 2 dashes. Ooh, I moved in it. Right, okay. Then we're going to join them together with a vertical line. Now, it's tempting that if we haven't quite drawn it accurately, we want to move to connect the 2 pieces, but don't. Keep your ruler straight and draw down. Right, my line moved a bit there, so I'm going to go a bit out of perspective, so I won't carry on those bits there, but yours hopefully will have stayed in line. So I just need to maybe add those into mine. We'll actually finish there. There we are. Just rub those bottom bits out there. There we are. It's better. Right, then we're going to add our doors. So again, line up there. We're going to draw about 1 centimetre down from this one. We're going to just draw a dash in between our 2 windows, and then we're going to draw vertical lines down to connect them. Okay, so same on the other side then. Line up this dot here, centimetre down. Now this is kind of a half house, so I'm just going to do a little dash and a window. Depends how yours worked out when you drew it. whether you need to do that as well. Tilt it again, make sure I line it up like I didn't last time. There we go. And I'm feeling confident, so I'm just going to go straight in for my little dash in between to form the door. Then we're going to add all our horizontal lines, or sorry, vertical lines I should say. Connecting everything together. So you can pause the video at any time just to catch up. I'm just drawing it quickly so you can see how to do it. Okay, I'm going to leave that one like that. Right, doesn't matter if we've got any of these little lines sticking out at the moment. We can go back and correct that later, so that's fine. Right, well, next we're going to add in the pavement. So we're going to go from the cross down and move it slightly, a half a centimetre, and draw another line. So from the cross out, move it slightly and go down. Okay, we're then going to draw our horizontal lines on the pavement. So we'll draw both sides at the same time, just the first, in between the first two lines, so the ones closest to the house. We're just going to draw, and again they're getting bigger as we go. And then we're going to add the vertical lines down, connecting those together. Like so. Right, final thing we need to draw then is going to be our lines in the middle of the road. So to the horizontal point, draw it slightly off, light line going down, and the second line like so. You then just going to draw two dashes each time, getting slightly wider apart. So, and then you're just going to rub out the centre part here. Draw those back in. Okay, so then that is our drawing completed. Join me in the next video, and what we'll do is have a little look at how to add details in different areas.